All right, let's go ahead and add our week 2 vocabulary slides and activity slides into our interactive notebook. Okay, so I have my interactive notebook open already. You will be assigned the interactive notebook vocab week 2 slides. Okay, there are only 3 of them. And then, of course, you should already have from last week your interactive notebook vocab activity slides. Okay, and there are 10 of those because there are 9 different activities, right? All right, so the first thing I'm going to do is add my vocab week 2 slides into my interactive notebook. So I'm going to go ahead and go over here to vocab. And then I'm going to scroll down. So if I was technically the student, my slides would already be filled in. And then look how I have my activity slides from last week. Okay, week word would have been here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of those. All right, so I am now on the last slide of my vocab section, which is the activity slides from week 1. I am now going to go up to File. I'm going to import slides, and then week 2 vocabulary list. Oh, it moved on me because it loaded. There we go, week 2 vocabulary list. Okay, so I double click that. There are 3 slides. I'm just going to click this little button up here that says all to highlight them. I want to import them all. Import slides. Okay. And ta-da! Right after my activity from week 1 word list is my week 2 vocabulary list. And now if I was a student, I would then go and type here. Of course, doing my vocabulary words appropriately. Okay. So now let's pretend like I'm done with my vocab and I'm recording that into the slides, and I'm now going to choose my interactive notebook activities. Okay, so I go over here, I go through, there are 9 different slides, and after very careful thought, I've decided which slides I want to use. Remember, it's one slide or activity, one activity per vocab word. So you would do the vocab word up here, and then you would complete the activity. And then you would do the same vocab word down here and complete the activity. Okay, so I decided, like I said, after careful thought, the 5 that I want to do. So I'm just going to go to that slide, highlight it. I'm going to right click, I'm going to copy it. I'm going to go back into my interactive notebook. I am on the last slide here for that section, and I'm going to right click and copy copy. I meant paste. Let's try this again. Go over here, we're going to copy. We're going to go back here, and we're going to paste it. Ta-da! Do not link ever. Okay, so there's my first activity slide. The other one I wanted to do was activity 7. So copy that, go back to my interactive notebook. I'm on that last slide in this section, and I'm going to hit paste. Do not link. Okay, and I'm just going to repeat that for the activities that I decided that I wanted to do for this week's words. Paste. Okay, do not link. Let's see, I like this one. Copy. Paste. Do not link. I believe that's 4, right? 1, 2, 3, 4. Yep, I thought I needed one more. I'm going to go ahead and do this one. I like the Post-it notes. Copy. And paste. Do not link. There we go. I have now imported my vocabulary week 2 slides. I've then, of course, completed the assignment of recording my vocab words there. And then I've actually chosen very carefully the 5 different activities that I wanted to complete for this week's words. And now I have the opportunity to go in and actually